First I will start with black and intermediate blue. I mix black with intermediate blue. I create first sketches of reflections. I like to create them in groups. First big group. Now I use pure intermediate blue. I'm using Winsor Newton Series 7 miniature. Let's add white and let's mix intermediate blue with white. More white. And pure white, just in the midsections of the reflections. Let's give it more white spots. Okay, and let's do the second side of the blade. So I'm using mixed gray with black color. This side will be much darker. Pure intermediate blue. I'm using black. And let's get back to the gray color, which is intermediate blue. So I will mix intermediate blue with white color. I added a little bit of white to the intermediate blue, and I want to create final highlight, but not as bright as on the front side of the blade. And last, with almost pure white, just final highlights. It looks like this right now, so I will clean up everything and we'll see in the next stage. Okay, and let's do the fine detailing. I will use size 0 brush, Raphael 8404, and I want to highlight edges, give some scratches. So the blade looks like this, and I think it's finished.